On a gagné, on a gagné, on a gagné, on a gagné, on a gagné. Sidi, Sidi. Hey! Maman. Pas respect, hein, mais félicitations.
Yeah.
Bonjour, bonsoir et bienvenue à la liste top 5. I am your favorite presenter, Sylvia K, and we are here again on another episode. Today, we are talking about TikTokers. You know, the ones that your mum's scrolling, banda, she was scrolling. First of all, I don't even know why our mums are on TikTok in the first place, but that's another conversation for another day. I will never understand why mums have come onto TikTok. Un jour, Dakari, maman n'a liké ma TikTok. I said, maman, qu'est-ce que tu fais ici? Vous faisiez quoi ici? On TikTok. Listen, ma maman, besoin n'a pas Facebook, s'il te plaît. TikTok est pour la binoté. Merci et que Dieu vous bénisse. All right, as you guys know, we are la list top 5. And you guys already know how it goes. You guys got 2 minutes on the clock. You guys already have your lists. Deliberate the list. We'll be back in 2 minutes. Your time starts now.
Okay, bon.
Talk to me.
Oh, déjà? Déjà, les aboués.
Do you think he's pulling off?
I hate that.
I get he's good, but the whole vibe killer thing is...
Can he be number 5 then? Okay, number top 3.
Top 3, yeah.
Top 3, yeah?
Yeah,
That's number 3. Okay, put somebody right 3, so it's 3. He's 3, yeah?
3, alright, cool. I'll put 3 on.
Alright, cool.
What's his name?
His name is Simon Bongo.
Simon
He's
Bongo,
lit.
bro, that's lit.
Yeah.
Definitely, yeah.
I'm sorry, that's
and their
shit.
characters, Jolie, Bosco.
Jolie, Bebenge, Bunge.
Yeah, exactly.
That one.
5, 4, 3, Bibale, Moko, Libungu Tulu, 0.
Are you guys ready?
Bon,
All right, come on.
Madame,
come
bon
on.
cheater.
Come on, you guys done?
Shipper, arrête de shipper. Yeah. Les jaloux vont maigrir parce que je prends du poids. Chaque jour, on se réveille là de nouveaux dossiers. Yeah, c'est bon, ça marche.
I've seen many people, but I haven't seen many like TC. I can tell you that for
Merci.
sure.
Maman n'a pas le bas bon. Abota na ye 9, mais ngai 10e. Différent.
Mane laka.
Honestly?
Yebisa bango. Ici, on peut sans énergie. Basi rangala, maman est pela. On comprendra. Chaud na building, mais to lele yang.
We are going to go into our next segment. This segment is called Guess Who. This is the bonus round. In this round, if you guys get it right, you guys get extra points towards your final score. Everyone got that? The first person is a French superstar.
Daju.
innit?
Oh, voilà.
Merci. Maman, on a team la biso. Je suis là, on s'assure. Dans le 30 septembre, le 30 juin.
30 juin.
All right, cool. Next person. You guys got a point. Well done, guys. Next person. This person has come a long way
Nella Rose.
in their life.
Zela Yope.
In it, you're just throwing
that
names
the
out
one?
there. No.
Don't panic, it's not organic.
No.
Relax. Shy,
This person
relax.
has come a long way. They've followed in their father's footsteps. They have become a great politician.
Félix Béton, du président de la République démocratique du Congo, Kinshasa.
Union sacrée.
Mon peuple, chers téléspectateurs.
Pachibe.
Le peuple d'abord.
Ah, Denise, là où vous êtes, nous vous.
Ma Denise, mais ban.
So they've got 2 points. Last.
Pachibe.
Give him the last one at this point.
Obviously.
Vite smoke.
All right, cool. Last one.
Come.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Everyone ready? I know you guys are
On a
born
déjà
ready.
gagné.
Look at them.
Yeah.
Emma, ça va?
No.
No.
She's ready.
Ça va? Okay.
Attends, let's see. Bon.
Yaza pris définition
Yeah.
à Sofina. Maman, quand c'est comme
All
ça, on
right,
y
cool.
va.
Oh, no, sekalanga.
Mama yo koseka yo movani na kiti ya ngwende.
Merci, Yaya. Oh, merci, chaud.
Wow.
Sorry, Yaya.
Tu me
Sorry.
fais flirter.
Sorry. The third person. This person, they started their life in the church. They've led their life in the church up until a certain point. Now they are a great singer. They are a great vocalist.
Nathalie Makoma.
They're a great vocalist. And they now sing alongside another person within the Congolese community who we have known to be a godfather of music.
Cindy le cœur à Kati Suki. M'appelle Suki. Maman, n'aime ça que nini? À son final. À son final.
Kataguruma.
What? Wait, what?
Premièrement, déjà, tout ça, bah, adulte. Surtout, tout ça, bah, tamukolo. Kataguruma, bon. Pas aller trop en détail, hein, tout ça, bah, adulte. Quand on lui prise définition, donc, Kataguruma. Enfin, ils ont pris à judo. Bon, mon kabo, ils ont pris à judo. Sauf que mon CPLT, ils ont pris à judo. Sauf que mon appel, mon CPLT, bon, on a le banin orgazi. Oh, et donc, mon parti, prise de définition. Les qui sont au-dessus de la troisième corde. Oh, bolimi, bozoango. Voilà.
No. Hey. I've worked with people. But this season 3, the panelists are more, you know, yeah, they're bringing all of the energy. I love that for that list. I love that for that list. All right, cool. Now we're going to hear you guys' top 5. You guys have got it. We're going to start with this team. Go ahead.
Faites comme moi. Je viens de trouver une solution pour ma famille. Mon oncle à Brazzaville, ma mère à Kinshasa. Na tindeli bango mbongo na Taptap Send. Netika kozotinda SMS no tindi mbongo. En plus, transfert d'argent sans frais. Netika na Croix-Rouge. Faites comme moi, vous téléchargez l'application na bino ya Taptap Send. Kaka na téléphone na yo. Tindi esika ozali, yepe azui esika azali. Pona numéro oyo ezali na M-Pesa, RTL Money to Orange Money pour na Kinshasa, MTN Money to RTL Money pour na Brazzaville, Taptap Send na beti na send mbongo. Yamba mbongo ata na minuit. Taptap Send mbongo elongo na poche et koti na chombo. Taptap Send, you send me, send you.
Number 5, Tozana, Benzo the First.
We said that mainly because his TikTok content is quite hilarious. And what was that video you lot said?
Congolese people, now be a Google. Fuck Google. Because I don't understand Google Translate Lingala. What's going on, guys?
That have
Mais t'évoluer.
Mais ton baby.
Ton baby, t'es passé par côté à l'English.
L'English beaucoup tati.
Yo muna lobi.
Tout ça.
En plus de cela, beaucoup tate makama lingala ya makasi.
Na
lingala facile. Ba comprendre te.
Ba comprendre te.
Yeah, to boy makama Google Translate. Na bando bunda na mindele. Baba yoki makam na oloba. No fine. I'm not arguing mindele people. You know what I mean? But you look at Kati, you can't be talking with other people outside of Google that they of Google Translate lingala. No fine. You don't need that.
Number 4.
4.
Oh snap. On number 4, Tozali na Caleb.
My
On a
guy.
cousin nga.
My guy.
Je vous salue.
Caleb.
Je t'aime bien, mon
Caleb. Yeah. Wadanzi.
Ya là t'auras pas bina pas TikTok kaka. Talentueux.
Big up him. I saw him at a wedding the other day. I bet you be some mutu ashia.
Toi chine on dirait Mayeni nga na bete.
Maluba solo. Maluba solo. I am Caleb.
C'est ma famille.
Dédicace.
Bana la gloire, ok. Namuna nga bat babina. Nga be amona bina na mark na nga. Mais Caleb, how many times have I called your name? This guy is all la. Muto shine do wa mahi. Donc oche mai na boto kudu. Oche na kop kudu. Donc he can identify himself everywhere. Soki moi sino ebo bina tete n'est pas Caleb. N'est-ce pas ma bête, mais par respect.
Number 3, Tozana, Noko Nabiso, Congo Brazzaville. Yeah, one is that in the But balam kana tongo liba ke msala ba ke na TikTok ba mona Congo Brazzaville.
On a vu.
Hello everybody.
Forever. Number 2, Tozana, only one.
Elohim.
Oza yo moko ya, vous comprendre, mais dans la deuxième position que fête. Love. Mais la première position, Tozana, joli bébé. Ngebu. Merci Simon Bongo. Na pièce moka comme des garçons na munati. Très avance. tobeteli na maboko.
Bami beta mabo bango.
What?
Parce que ayebi était donc eza équipe. So ayebi était donc to yebi était.
Na, I like your loyalty.
Lelo boko
Bogo
yeba.
yeba. So que
Sorry. So qui peut non lo ba.
Yeah, you see the season's serious, isn't it?
Listen.
Chaque jour on se réveille, il y a de nouveaux dossiers.
Yeah, I hear it. I hear it.
Amen.
Quand on dort, on se réveille.
Il y a de nouveaux dossiers.
Number five.
You know what? Tu peux ça honneur na yemro TikTok hein.
Dior.
Position ouais. Number 5.
Tonton B na N1. Hein? Merci, bah ça là kitoko.
Aïe va pas une église hein.
Toko ça la temo ça la nzambe.
Donc c'est un homme de Dieu.
Donc
ouais.
hein?
On sent.
Tonton B na N1. Quatrième, tu es Mère Zahir.
Ouais, Mère Zahir. Organisation comme Mobutu.
Ah, à l'époque.
À l'époque, avant ma naissance. Comprenez mon émotion. On y va.
Troisième, tu es Tonton Brège.
Ouais, encore. 3.
Troisième.
Numéro 3, la défense.
Deuxième, tu es Yakaleb.
Caleb.
Yakaleb, tu es
Moi, il va bêter à jaloux.
Les jaloux vont maigrir.
On prend du poids. Franchement, non, continue, s'il te plaît.
Allez, number 1, tu es Ya Elohim.
Yemoko. Elohim n'a bêté l'histoire à Lukaïe ko l'instrument dans son église. Talent ils allaient être mais comment ça TikTok à musique tout bêté là sur beaucoup. On sert le Père-Noël dans toutes de façon, manière.
Amen.
Il y a eu une liste
Oh gosh, I can't lie. My list is so different compared to everyone else's.
Hey.
Non, c'est bon, s'il vous plaît. Maman patronne. Il y a eu
Kamabiso.
Il y a Bongiti parce que tu as gagné déjà bon bazuni. Tu as 3 points.
Bon Congolais. Po ye kaka liste na abebisaka kaka. Liste na ebité place utaka soki ezaki na Éthiopie, soki ezaka na Inde na ebité, mais eza liste à Congolais ta. Ouais, eza liste moko bon, il faut luka ngo quoi pour na ebité bo Congolais déjà bo luka mutu mususu. Bon, na blague aussi na lingio na entre nous tout ça va master donc eza ka ba blague.
My number 5 goes to the beautiful Stacey Montiago. She is so amazing. I'm finding her, you know, on TikTok, you got clean talk, Congo talk, this talk. I'm finding her on UK talk. She has gone over, she's done the crossover. Abandaki na Congo.
2023.
Akoti. We love it for her. Number 4, I put Drea Bands because I love her. I love her. Even when she does that duntin thing that she does.
The perruque.
It works.
It works.
All those who hate her love her.
Works.
It works. And number 3, I had to go with I Am Caleb. My guy.
Même ce numéro 3, défense.
Number 2, Benzo the First. And number 1, Toto Brej.
Oh.
I mean,
Bien sûr.
I agree with you.
Bien sûr.
I agree with
So,
you. Heavy. Toto Brej.
Aza international.
International.
Intercontinental.
Na ba Amerika bandimi. Bato a Canada, na États-Unis, ba Australie, ba bike yende nta.
Yo kena Australie yo.
Na molimo toza partout.
Teoza danser na molimo.
All right, cool.
Église ko
On
ko
this side,
tate.
how many did you guys get?
4.
4.
Yeah.
How many did you guys get on this side
For what?
compared to my list?
Yeah, we've got 2 mais toi on a 3 more boy donc to gagner. On a gagné, on a gagné, on a gagné, on a gagné, on a gagné. Siri. Siri, maman. Mais félicitations.
Yeah.
Well done, guys. Everyone clap their hands. Everyone clap their hands.
Fair play. Mabo.
C'est un truc de ouf, wesh.
Let me tell you, these guys are amazing. They are absolutely phenomenal. Mais, ici, we finished. To CDC. What we need you guys to do at home is like, comment, and subscribe. You guys already know this is La Liste Top 5. You have been joined with amazing panelists. Of course, I'm your favorite presenter, Sylvia K. And we will see you in the next episode. À la prochaine.